Dynamic pages allow you to create multiple pages of content based on a single page design. First, make sure the design is ready. Connect your page to a collection, then connect widgets on the page to fields in your collection. This will automatically create page items, one item for each row in your collection. To view the page items you've created, go to the top bar and click the Pages dropdown. From here, you can navigate between all page items. In addition to widgets, you can connect the SEO title and page description to the collection. This will create SEO for every page item. To give site visitors direct access to the page items, add a list or photo gallery widget somewhere on your site and connect it to your collection. So give it a try. Start building dynamic pages now.